Looks hard, doesn't it? Well, on your own it would, but you've come to the right place. I would like to welcome all of you to Civil Engineering Technology 1, or CE Tech 1. With this course, we will walk through with you not only with traditional and ordinary house plans which are drawn normally in 2D, but we will turn your designs to 3D models. And the software we will be using in our training is Sketchup Make 2017. This software is so powerful to be used as a tool for architectural or engineering plans. And the great thing is, this software is free, and you will learn how to use this software by simply following our video lessons. And after this training, all trainees are expected that they can use SketchUp to make 3D residential house models, use SketchUp to make 3D model perspectives, and learn the basics of SketchUp commands and interface. Are you ready to start your journey in being an architect or an engineer? See you in the next video.